y'all, I'm Jessi Harry and welcome back to my channel, and this week we have a cleaning video for you. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We do what's for dinners over here, grocery hauls, and I'm just now trying to do some other cleaning, lifestyle videos, things like that. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So we're getting started in the kitchen. So here I am trying to clean my chopper, my little alligator chopper, and I decided to chop mushrooms with this. So as you can see, it took me forever to clean this. It's so satisfying to clean one of these, but oh my, the mushrooms just stuck to it. So if you have any good tips on how to get this clean, how to get something soft like that out of there, comment down below and let me know so I can try your hack next time. So now I've moved on to our bedroom. Gonna start with making the bed. I normally do this first thing in the morning, but I left it this way. Today, since I wanted to show it on my video, I love a good made up bed. I know some people think that's a waste because, to make it up because you're just going to mess it up again, but it just makes me feel really productive and satisfied even if I don't do anything else that day. And now we've made our way to the bathroom. Normally, if I save the bathroom for last and I make it here, I do not want to clean it, and it was totally the case today, and I feel like if I wasn't recording it, I probably would have just been like, I'll just do it later, and then it wouldn't have gotten done, and I would have been so upset on Monday when my bathroom was not as clean as I'd like it to be. So really, it's y'all. Y'all motivated me to make sure that this was done, and I was so happy once it was completed. Alright, so here is the finished product. I'm showing you how nice and shiny and non-cluttered everything looks. It just feels so good to have everything cleaned by Sunday afternoon before Monday hits. I know that a lot of us are stuck in the house right now, and for me, with working from home, when the house is messy or cluttered or whatever, it makes me feel like I should be doing those things instead of what I actually need to do. So of course I'm working because that's what I'm supposed to do, but I just keep thinking, the dishes are piled up in the sinks, there's hair everywhere because we have dogs, yada, yada, yada. So this felt really good and was an amazing way to start my week. So now I'm just going to show you a little bit of food prep that I went ahead and did. I normally like to at least prep produce on Sundays, if not like chicken and stuff for the beginning of the week. I didn't do a bunch this Sunday, simply because I just really didn't feel like it, but I'd gotten these pineapples. They were like 2 for $4 at Kroger, and so I'm cutting all them up because if I don't cut the pineapple up, then the pineapple will go bad. And I'd already gotten them pretty soft because I wanted them to be really, really sweet, because that's how I like them. I don't know really who doesn't like their pineapple really, really sweet. If that's how you like it, please don't be offended. No judgment here, but I like mine to be really, really sweet. So here I am just getting all those decored and cut up. I do have one of those pineapple things, where you screw it in there. I got mine at Aldi. It was like a huge Aldi thing in my Aldi group. Yes, I'm a nerd, an Aldi nerd. If you watch my grocery haul videos, you know that. Where you just stick it in there and it swivels it out. But I enjoy doing this. This is how I've cut pineapples for a while now. So, feel free to use my little hack. It's very easy. Alright, so now I'm going to cut up just a head of lettuce. I feel like lettuce lasts longer when I cut it up myself. And then I just store it in a big Ziploc bag with a paper towel inside, of course, after I wash it with my beautiful salad spinner. I love my salad spinner. I use it a lot. I do buy lettuce already cut up sometimes. It just goes bad so fast, it gets kind of slimy. This is just my preferred method. And then lastly, I'm going to cut up some cilantro. Of course, Cinco de Mayo is this week, so we needed cilantro for the chicken enchilada casserole. You'll be able to see that in my What's for Dinner on Saturday. And then honestly, in general, my family just loves cilantro. My son loves it. I love it. My husband loves it. I don't know if he loves it. But anyways, I'm getting this prepped so I don't have to do it later on in the week. And then lastly, my husband whipped up some spaghetti and breadsticks for dinner that night because honestly, after all that cleaning, I was pretty wore out. This was really delicious and very comforting after a long day. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Like I said, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.